could say giddy up. Oops, not just yet, Rusty. Now, what brings y'all out here to these parts? We're going to well, we wouldn't do that, now would we?
Thank you for the ride, Dusty.
You bet, Mr. Goofy. I'd hate for y'all to miss seeing Styly tonight. That
You
girl-
better put it, go forward.
Yes, sir. It isn't exactly my style. Country style?
You gonna bump into me?
No.
It's sort of
What
like-
a good way.
Yep. Beep, beep, back it up. Uh-oh. You hit the chair. Do I need to move the chair? No?
What? Baby. Again.
Okay, do it backwards.
What's that?
Yeah? Can you beep your horn at me? Nice.
Flex.
You are fast.
Flex it.
You did fix it. You're a good driver. And you're a little crazy.
Stop.
Yeah, stop. Don't ram me.
I don't like those here.
It was a close one. Oh, you turned it off?
Uh-oh. Listen.
Thank you, Dusty.
There's us.
Yeah, put it in reverse.
Big up.
Beep, beep, backing up.
Big up.
My favorite. It is. Maybe you should wear this to the concert tonight. After all,
I think you're going to have to go forward now.
without a cowboy hat.
What's that?
Lights are off. You're right.
Oh.
Lights are on. You're correct. You're still in reverse, though.
That's it.
You did fix it.
All right, mister. Driver.
Yeah. Are you done riding? Hey. Can you wave goodbye to me?
I'm sorry, Mr. Goober. It looks like your whatchamagoozer needs a new transfilla booster. I'm afraid you need a new engine.
Uh-oh.
No.
Is your engine okay?